The topic of today's video is how to connect Gmail to n8n. So here we are on the overview screen, and the first thing that you want to do is just create a new workflow on the top right here. In here we want to click add first step, and you can set up a trigger first. But let's say Gmail is going to be the trigger. Maybe we receive a mail or so forth. Just type in Gmail, click on that. And then the only trigger is on message received. So let's click on that. And then we just need to select our credentials. And to do that, we need to sign in with Google over here. And that'll bring up this pop-up window here. And we just need to sign in. And then you need to agree to all this information here. As long as it correlates with your actual action, you're good to go. And hit continue when you're done, and you will be set up. I'm not going to sign in here. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing if you find this content helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.